أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم. Hi everybody, today in Arabic, yes. So today is Al-Baik's spicy fried chicken. But let's go through the ASMR first. Look at that. Look at that. What a beauty. Look at the pool of sauce in it. And it smells divine. It smells amazing. I can't begin to even explain how delicious it smells. My whole kitchen is just so fragrant. Let me have it. All right. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my god, needless to say, it's crispy and delicious. So let's make it then. Okay, so we are going to make today one of the very famous Saudi fried chicken, which is just like your KFC, General Kentucky Fried Chicken. But what's different in this one is that you would find it, they have recently started doing a spicy version of this chicken, and they inject the flavor, the sauce, the hot sauce, well, there is a secret recipe which they inject. So they're going to inject that inside the meat near the bone. So when it fries and when it comes out, it's really juicy and moist and absolutely delicious. I mean, my mouth is watering while I was talking about it. So what I'm going to do it, I have taken about 8 drumsticks here. You can take any cut of meat, and it is with skin on, as you can see. Cleaned it, so it's ready to use. What I will be using to inject the spicy sauce in it is this thing. As you can see, it says flavor injector. You can easily get it online, Amazon, or I have got it from John Lewis. So what I'm going to do is I am going to fill in the sauce and inject it inside this. Now, me being me, I completely forgot to put on the recording while I was filling up these chicken drumsticks, and halfway through I just realized I haven't recorded the beginning. So this is what I'm using. I'm using the masala chili sauce and Louisiana hot sauce, the crystal hot sauce. You can use any other. Tabasco works well as well. So they are equal quantities. You can add cayenne pepper as well if you like a bit more hot, a bit more heat if you can bear it. I'm filling it up in the syringe, and then I will be injecting it in the drumsticks just next to the bone, very close to the bone. I'll just pierce it and inject it, and it will all become plump up in a second. And that's what we're going to do. So maybe 2 or 3 different places in the drumsticks, that will do its job. It will be unctuous, juicy, spicy, and the marination will just penetrate all through the flesh. And that's what the aim is behind this. By the way, all the ingredients will be in the description box below if you want to have a look there. If you want to try the recipe, I would say please do try. It's very simple, it's very easy. And now I'm going to prepare a rub for these drumsticks. It's just optional, but I like to make it. It gives a bit more oomph, a bit more flavor. I'm using sea salt and some celery salt. Now be careful with the salt because there are 2 types of salt, normal salt and celery salt. Then it's paprika, cayenne, ginger powder, garlic powder, and I would be using herbs. You can use mixed herbs. I have used oregano because I like oregano, and I have also used white pepper, and you can use mustard powder, but I will be using mustard paste because simply I didn't have the mustard powder at this very minute when I was doing this recipe. I was recording this recipe and I just realized, oh my god, I'm out of mustard powder. So I am just going to use mustard paste, about half a teaspoon, which I will just put it in the drumsticks box, that container, rather than putting in my dry rub. I'm going to give it a mixy and this is ready. So I'm just going to give it a good massage. I did sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper at the end, me being a forgetful mom. You can expect that. A few drops of the leftover sauce if you have any. This will just give it a nice seasoning. Again, it's just season. So the next one is the dredge. Let's prepare the dredge. Dredge means coating, by the way. This is what I've taken is half a kilo, 500 grams of plain white flour, all-purpose flour or plain flour, with half a cup of ground breadcrumbs. Then I am adding in celery salt, paprika, cayenne, and also I have added mixed herbs. You can use oregano or just any particular herb that you like, but here I'm using mixed herb in this particular combination, and black pepper and white pepper as well. Give it a good rub. You can add MSG, the Ajinomoto or the Chinese salt, but that's optional. Most of the food giants do add it because it enhances the flavor, but I am not using it here. It's entirely your choice. You can add about a teaspoon of it. The next step will be I am going to coat the chicken that I have left in the fridge overnight. I will marinate overnight, but if you are in a rush, you can just use it after half an hour. So here you go. I'm just going to make sure all the flour, all the coating goes inside every single crevice, every single crease of the chicken skin. Coat it well, properly dust it out so the excess flour is off, excess coating is off. And then I am going to dip it for 10 seconds in a very, very chilled bowl of water. It's really cold. 10 seconds in, again back into the flour mix, the seasoning mix. Again, I'm going to rub it in very, very firmly. I'm going to squeeze it onto it. Make sure that it's totally covered. No nook or corner is left behind. As you can see how well it is, this is going to give that rough, rustic crunch to the skin. And I will continue doing all of those drumsticks now. And we're good to go. We're good for frying now. So it's going to be getting deep fried. And please do not clutter the pan. I am doing 4 at a time, not more than that, so they can easily get crisped up, as I say, as my little ones say. Sorry for the background noise. We've got a baby shark going on in the background, but that's mum's life, isn't it? So there we go. Lightly golden brown, or if you do it a little bit darker, it won't look nice. It won't be pleasant to eat. It will be hard to chew as well. So I would say it took about roughly 7 minutes in the hot oil. Make sure the oil is hot. It shouldn't be medium or low, otherwise your chicken coating will just scatter and it will just be a big pile of mess. It won't be crispy, it will be oily, and it will be dreadful. So now I'm drizzling it with my favorite sauces, some sriracha, some garlic mayo, and a bunch of lemon, and voila, we are done. Let's have a taste now. ASMR. Alright, so time for the verdict now. Let's see. First, look at the crunch. Let me grab a tissue paper, kitchen towel, and look at that sauce coming out. It's oozing out. It's really crunchy and it's really delicious. I cannot even begin to explain how delicious it smells. I hope, guys, you will enjoy making it. Let me know. Give a thumbs up if you like the recipe and you would like to see more of it. Please do subscribe our channel and please like it, hit the notification bell icon, the usual drill, as you know, and keep on supporting. And thank you very much for watching. And do let me know if you try it. Post it on Instagram, on my Instagram handle, which is given in the description box. And do let me know how you found it out, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more to come. Take care. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.